Hello and welcome back to my garage. Today we are going to get down with getting the rust out of my engine and cylinder heads, and we're going to do that with a solution of pumpkin molasses and water in a 55-gallon drum. All right, so here on the side of the house we got the block in this 55-gallon bucket. This bucket right here is a known quantity of 5 gallons. So we're going to count how many 5 gallons we need to put in here until it's about there, and then we're going to put in 10% of that number of molasses in. So here goes nothing.
That's 3. You didn't even scrub them in the video. That's 4. Looks like we're less than halfway.
That's number 5. We're about halfway till full. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 3.5 gallons of molasses added to roughly 40 gallons of water will bring us to right around 9 parts water, 1 part molasses. So we're gonna put that molasses in now so that it kind of gets stirred up. There we go. She's pretty stiff. Yeah, I need a putty knife.
The whole thing tar?
Looks like.
All right. Let's mix it in here.
Yeah. Had to turn that camera on with my nose. So this stuff's pretty messy. I feel like James Dean and Giant. Right about now. I'll go punch out Rock Hudson. So molasses isn't supposed to be that solid. This is kind of old. So I'm trying to get it mixed in, and it's not going so hot. So my father-in-law is gonna run down to the hardware store, get a paddle mixer. We're gonna mix it up with water in that 5-gallon bucket so that it's nice and incorporated. I mean, it comes right back around. You can see by my hands. I wonder if this is good for the skin. Yeah. I gotta get these hands clean. Sheesh. Get dirty. Get out there and get dirty. It's fun. Don't be such a grown-up about it. And in case you were wondering, yes, this is the same outfit I wore yesterday. No, I did not wash it. And no, I don't care about what you think about that. Also, in case you were wondering how I got this motor in here, I just Hercules'd it on up in there. Both because they could use to be de-rusted as well, and because the more volume we take up with matter, the less of this solution we gotta use. I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick these cylinder heads down in here some kind of way. How do I do that? I don't think that's a good idea. How do I do that? Walk a little. Got head number 1 in. Let's get the second. Who was the guy who said, "Eureka, I've got it"? Archimedes or one of them mad fellas? It's a Greek dude. Anyway, this was what he was talking about. The volume of this is going to displace an equal volume of liquid. He figured that out when he was taking a bath one day. Then apparently he ran through Athens or whatever, buck-ass naked, yelling, "Eureka, I've got it." So he was pretty excited about that. I don't know if I'm quite as excited. I don't know if I'll follow him, but sure happy to get this thing done. So there we are, 55-gallon drum with water, molasses, and engine block and cylinder heads inside. I'm gonna come by once a day for the next week and agitate this by saying extreme and outrageous things to it, and shaking it about, and then we'll see after a week what it looks like. See you then.